Teachers can easily manage individual student class settings by searching for student accounts using the filter. Click the School Classes icon on the dashboard. All accounts are shown in the panel on the left with a tab for students and a tab for teachers. Select the Student panel and from the Filter by box at the bottom of the page, select Name. Type a first or last name into the fields and click the search icon to find matching accounts. Once a student account has been located, they can be added to a class using the green plus sign in the Classes panel or deleted from the school.